when the big monkeys will die, become water. Two big monkeys will explode. They are shrinking, seems like invisible. Form monkey water, and it's good. That's cool, but if you jump and your body feels this way, like going down in zombies, Fortnite underwater, falling cracks full of fire. Monkey, Ben Kaplan is too high. Like seeing monkeys underwater, swimming in a tidal, getting clamped up and sitting on the fence now. Monkey, Ben Kaplan is too high and crush you so tight. You will feel monkeys, they make water out of everything. As you get closer, they are cool, form water as they rip you apart. That's good, but if you get ripped, your body feels this way. Being eaten by a monkey, no words to explain it. Getting crushed by Ninja himself. Monkey, Ben Kaplan is too high. Monkey is too high.